Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by killing power and removing cables. Safety matters to protect the board and you. Once done, ground yourself and remove the case panel so you can see the system board. Make sure to collect screws and note where they came from to avoid rebuild mistakes. Use a bright light and a magnifier or your phone camera to prepare for close inspection. This saves time and prevents fumbling around delicate parts. You now scan the board visually. Look along the edges, near major components, and by connectors where manufacturers place CT or serial labels. Once located, photograph the area with macro mode and tilt the camera to catch angled printing. Glare can hide tiny characters. If the printed code is smudged, make sure to check the BIOS or run DMA or system information in your OS, because firmware often stores the board identifier when labels are missing. You finish by copying the CT number precisely into your notes or phone. Accuracy matters when ordering parts. Once recorded, carefully reassemble the case, reconnect power, and boot to ensure everything functions normally. If you can't find the CT code or it's illegible, make sure to contact the manufacturer with the model and serial number because they can map those to the correct board CT. This is the fastest route when physical labels fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.